Nobody enjoys being broke. We all aspire to live a fulfilling life with steady streams of income, and although it might sound far-fetched, it's completely within reach. Achieving financial stability boils down to the strategies you employ to maximize your savings. With the right methods, along with discipline and consistency, you can ensure your financial well never runs dry. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, affirmations, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful tricks to save money quickly. Let's get started. 10. Save impulsively. We often spend money impulsively. But what if we could reverse this habit? Consider all those $4.99 lattes you buy at Starbucks each week. That $34.93 per week could be saved instead, amounting to $1,816.36 annually. Next time you feel the urge to spend impulsively, deposit that amount into your savings account instead. For instance, if you go to the mall and feel the temptation to overspend, create a quick budget for what you need. If you're about to exceed it, head to an ATM and deposit the excess money into your bank account. This simple trick can help you save a substantial amount of money quickly. 9. Get a cash rewards credit card. Many people underestimate the power of cash rewards credit cards, but they can be incredibly effective. If you're going to use your credit card, you might as well earn from it. Many credit card programs offer rewards like free flights, vacations, and cash back. For example, the Citi Double Cash Back card offers a high cashback rate. 2% on all purchases, with 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay for it. This trick is most effective if you have good control over your finances and can avoid the temptation of overspending. 8. Calculate cost in hours. Have you ever considered how many hours you need to work to afford an impulsive purchase? For instance, a Fortnite Wildcat bundle costs $440 at Walmart. If you earn $12 per hour and work 4 hours a day, you would need to work over 32 hours to afford it, more than a week's worth of work. Calculating the cost of items in terms of the hours worked can help you make more informed purchasing decisions, ensuring that you spend your money on what truly matters. 7. Quit unhealthy habits. Unhealthy habits can drain your finances significantly, not to mention their impact on your health. Smoking, excessive drinking, gambling, and substance abuse not only cost money, but can also lead to expensive health issues. For example, a pack of cigarettes in New York City costs about $10.47. If you smoke 3 packs a week, you'll spend $1,634.32 annually. Over 10 years, that's $16,343.20. Quitting these habits not only saves you money, but also improves your health. Imagine saving that amount and using it for a high-yield investment or a dream vacation. 6. Round off your dollars. Rounding off your purchase amounts can help you save money quickly. For example, if you buy a pack of toilet paper for $31 or $32, round it up to $32 in your budget. The extra $0.68 is money saved. When you apply this to multiple purchases, the savings add up fast. Include all the rounded amounts in your budget and save the surplus money. This simple trick can significantly boost your savings over time. 5. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself doesn't mean going on a shopping spree. Instead, pay yourself for good financial behavior. For example, if you skip your daily $5 coffee, put that money into a reward jar. Add an extra dollar for each good financial decision. At the end of 6 months or a year, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how much you've saved. This method encourages good habits and prevents overspending. 4. Pay it forward. When you pay off a loan or debt, Continue saving the amount you are paying each month. For example, if you were paying $1,000 a month towards a car loan, keep transferring that amount into a savings account once the loan is paid off. Over a year, you'll save $12,000. If you invest this money in an account with compound interest, your savings will grow even faster, providing a financial cushion for the future. 3. Start saving now. Starting to save immediately is crucial for financial freedom. The earlier you start, the better. Automate your savings by linking your checking account to your savings account, ensuring a fixed amount is transferred every month without fail. For example, if you decide to save $500 monthly, automate it so that the money is deducted as soon as your paycheck is deposited. This ensures consistency and helps you manage the rest of your income more effectively. 2. Get a grip on frequent purchases. Small, frequent purchases can add up quickly. For instance, buying a $1.45 bottle of water daily adds up to $10.15 a week. Add in a $3 granola bar 3 times a week, and you're spending $9 weekly on snacks. These costs can eat into your budget. Keep track of these frequent purchases and make a conscious effort to reduce them. Plan your shopping trips with a list and carry just enough cash to cover the essentials. This helps prevent overspending and ensures that you save more money fast. 1. Get an accountability partner. An accountability partner can significantly help you stay on track with your financial goals. This could be a friend, family member, or partner who holds you accountable for your spending and saving habits. They can provide honest feedback and support, making it easier to stick to your financial plans. For example, if you tend to overspend, your accountability partner can remind you of your goals and encourage better financial decisions. Having someone to answer to makes it more likely that you'll stay committed to your saving goals. These are just a few tricks to help you save money quickly and achieve financial freedom. Remember, consistency and discipline are key. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.